In the dead of night, the grid is down. Silence blankets the world. Then a sound, the unmistakable hum of a generator. That isn't the sound of power. It's a signal. To the desperate, the opportunistic, and the dangerous, that sound is a dinner bell. And your perimeter is what's on the menu. You thought you were prepared, but you've already made a critical mistake that puts your people in the crosshairs. That sound is a tactical blunder. In this briefing, we'll expose why running a loud generator is a catastrophic failure in security and show you how to achieve true silence when the lights go out for good. What I just described isn't fiction. It's the fundamental reality of a long-term collapse. In the world of preparedness, we focus on accumulating assets, the water filters, the long-term food stores, and the generator. We see it as the ultimate tool, the machine that will keep the lights on, the freezer running at 0 degrees Fahrenheit, and life feeling somewhat normal when chaos is at your door. Here's the fatal flaw in that logic. In a world stripped of the constant hum of civilization, no traffic, no air conditioners, no background noise, the sound of your generator isn't just noticeable. It's a booming announcement that can travel for miles. It doesn't just say, "I have power." It screams, "I have resources." It tells anyone within earshot that this position right here has fuel. It has assets that need preserving. It has medical devices that need running. It has a level of comfort that others have lost, and the people inside were prepared enough to have it. That means you have other valuables. You have, in effect, painted a giant target on your own stronghold. When the rules break down and desperation takes over, that sound is an open invitation to the very hostiles you're trying to protect your family from. This is where a critical military concept comes into play: operational security, or OPSEC. The principle is simple. Don't give your adversary intelligence they can use against you. Running a loud generator is a catastrophic failure of OPSEC. It's sending up a flare in the dark, signaling your position to everyone, good and bad. In a true grid-down event, you can't afford to find out which is which when they arrive. The problem is, your greatest comfort becomes your greatest liability. The very machine you bought for security is actively sabotaging it. This isn't paranoia, it's threat assessment. We have to shift our thinking from merely having power to having discrete power. If you find this type of no-nonsense tactical advice valuable, subscribe to this channel. We focus on real-world strategies that go beyond just buying gear, helping you develop the mindset that will actually keep you safe. So, how do we fix this vulnerability? The first approach isn't to eliminate the generator, but to muffle the dinner bell. If you have to use a conventional gasoline, diesel, or propane generator, noise mitigation is your absolute top priority. Here are 5 key tactics to dramatically reduce its sound signature. Number 1, strategic placement. This is the easiest step, and it costs you nothing. Never run your generator on a hard, reflective surface like a concrete driveway. That surface acts like a sounding board, amplifying the vibrations. Place it on a soft surface like grass or dirt, which will absorb the sound. Think about your position. Don't put it right against a wall of your compound. That wall will vibrate and broadcast the noise. If you have a small hill, a berm, or even a thick line of trees, use them as cover. Put the generator on the far side of these features. Every layer of terrain between the generator and a potential threat is another layer of security. Finally, point the exhaust straight up or away from where you expect hostiles to be. Number 2, construct a baffle box. This is the single most effective action you can take. A baffle box, or acoustic enclosure, is a soundproofed box you build to house the running generator. A simple frame of plywood or MDF is the start, but the secret is what's inside. Your mission is to interrupt the path of the sound waves. You must line the inside with sound-dampening material. Mass-loaded vinyl is excellent. A budget-friendly alternative is layering drywall or using specialized acoustic foam. You need mass and density to stop the sound, but you can't just seal it in a box. It needs air for the engine and a way to vent exhaust, or it will overheat and become a fire hazard. This is where the baffle comes in. You must engineer openings for air intake and exhaust that are not straight lines. By building S-shaped channels, you force the sound waves to bounce off multiple sound-absorbent surfaces before escaping. You'll need a quiet fan to guarantee airflow, and you must extend the exhaust pipe safely outside the box. A well-built baffle box can reduce a generator's roar to a barely noticeable hum from just a short distance away. Number 3. Upgrade the muffler. Generator noise comes from two sources, engine vibration and the exhaust. You can target the exhaust directly. Stock mufflers are built to meet minimum standards, not for stealth. Replacing the factory muffler with a larger one from a small engine or motorcycle can make a significant difference. For a field-expedient solution, some have used a water muffler. You attach a flexible exhaust hose to the generator's outlet and run the other end into a 5-gallon bucket of water. The water muffles the noise. This method, however, requires extreme caution. The generator must be positioned higher than the bucket to prevent water from siphoning back into the engine, which would destroy it. You also need to poke a small hole in the top of the hose to act as a pressure relief. Treat this as a temporary fix, not a permanent solution. Number 4, adopt a charge and secure doctrine. A generator that runs 24/7 is a constant beacon. A generator that runs intermittently is a random, less identifiable noise. You must change your entire power doctrine. Your goal is to run the generator for the shortest possible time to accomplish critical tasks. This is where a battery bank becomes a tactical asset. You run the generator for a 1 to 2 hour charging window. During this window, you do two things. Charge a bank of deep cycle batteries and run your high-draw appliances like a well pump or freezer. Once the window is over, you shut the generator down. For the rest of the day and, most importantly, all through the night, you run essential low-wattage items, LED lights, a radio, charging small devices, silently off the battery bank through an inverter. This doctrine drastically reduces your noise signature, conserves fuel, and reduces wear on your equipment. Number 5. Practice auditory camouflage. In a grid-down world, silence is suspicious, but so is the wrong kind of noise. If you can, time your generator runs to coincide with other sounds. Is a storm rolling in? Wind and rain are excellent auditory cover. If you're in a rural area, the sound of a chainsaw might be normal. Running your generator then might not seem out of place. This is advanced OPSEC thinking. You have to consider how every action is perceived. The goal is to make your noise blend into the ambient environment. Muffling your generator is a good tactic. An even better strategy is to eliminate the source of the noise entirely. The market for silent power has expanded and viable options are available. This is the ultimate form of operational security, having power without making a sound. Number 1, the solar generator. Let's be clear, the term solar generator is marketing. It's a portable power station, a high-capacity lithium battery, a power inverter, and a solar charge controller, all in one box. The tactical advantages are massive. First, they are completely silent. No moving parts, no fumes, no vibrations. You can use them safely inside your perimeter. They require almost no maintenance, and after the initial acquisition, the fuel, sunlight, is free. These units range from small enough to charge comms gear to massive systems that can power a refrigerator and other large appliances. The weaknesses are cost and weather. A system large enough to replace a gas generator is a significant investment, and recharging is entirely dependent on sunlight. Cloudy days will limit your capabilities. That's why a hybrid approach is smart doctrine. Use a solar generator for daily silent power and keep a conventional generator in a baffle box as a backup, used only for brief periods to recharge the main battery bank during extended bad weather. Number 2. A custom power loadout. For the more hands-on operator, you can build a more robust and customized system. This means acquiring the components separately. Deep cycle batteries, AGM or LiFePO4, a high-quality pure sine wave inverter, a solar charge controller and solar panels. This approach offers more scalability and is often more cost-effective for the power you get. You can start with a couple of batteries and expand your system over time. The principle is the same. Charge the batteries with solar panels during the day and silently draw power from them at night. This is the setup that serious operators aspire to for long-term resilience. Number 3. Non-electric doctrine. The ultimate way to achieve silence is to reduce your reliance on electricity altogether. Not every problem requires a powered solution, especially heating, one of the biggest energy demands in a crisis. Instead of burning fuel or draining batteries for heat, use passive solar heating. In the northern hemisphere, this is as simple as opening the curtains on your south-facing windows on a sunny day. The trapped sunlight creates a greenhouse effect. Materials with high thermal mass, like concrete floors or brick walls, absorb this heat during the day and radiate it back out at night. When the sun goes down, you shift to thermal blanketing. You cover those same windows with heavy insulated curtains or rigid foam inserts to trap that heat inside. By designating one well-insulated room as your primary living space, the combined body heat of your team and the retained solar energy can keep the room surprisingly comfortable, even when it's freezing outside. It costs nothing, uses no fuel, and is completely silent. True security isn't just a quiet generator. It's a holistic approach to operational security where you minimize every signal you send. First, you must master light discipline. In a blacked-out world, a single sliver of light from a window is a beacon that can be seen from miles away. You need a 3-minute light protocol for when the grid goes down. Your first action, ensure every window and glass door is completely blacked out. Use blackout curtains, heavy blankets, even black trash bags and tape. There will be zero light leakage from your position. Inside, switch to red light. Red light has a long wavelength that doesn't destroy your natural night vision, and it's much harder to see from a distance. Using red-filtered flashlights or headlamps allows you to operate securely without advertising your presence. Next, consider smell and smoke discipline. The smell of cooking food can travel just as far as the sound of a generator. A column of smoke from a wood stove is a clear sign of an active, resourced position. Use cooking methods that produce less smoke and odor, like a solar oven, or plan your cooking for times when the smoke will be less conspicuous. It all comes down to the gray man principle. The goal is to blend in. Don't be seen as a resource or a target. A loud, brightly lit compound in a dark, quiet world is the opposite of being a gray man. A silent, dark, and seemingly unoccupied position is the very definition of it. Your security shouldn't rely on your ability to defend your position. It should rely on no one knowing your position is worth attacking in the first place. The hard truth is that your generator, the asset you acquired for peace of mind, could be the very thing that brings disaster to your door. In a grid-down scenario, noise is a declaration. It declares you have what others need, and it makes you a primary target. But you now have the blueprint for true energy security. The solution is a layered, intelligent approach. First, silence the dinner bell. Use strategic placement, a baffle box, and an upgraded muffler. Run your generator smartly with a charge and secure doctrine. Second, work towards not ringing the bell at all. Invest in a silent solar power station or build a custom loadout. Finally, integrate a total OPSEC mindset. Master light and smell discipline and reduce your overall needs with passive solutions. Preparedness isn't about having the most gear. It's about having the right strategy. It's about being invisible when everyone else is a target. If you want to dive deeper into building a resilient and discreet homestead, watch our briefing on long-term water storage solutions. It's the next critical piece of the puzzle. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next tactical update. Stay silent and stay safe.